Jennifer with Jennifer at Home. I'm so happy you're here today. I had a really big surprise for my husband on Father's Day. Here it is getting delivered. He was really excited when he found out that we were going to be building an outdoor kitchen. If you haven't seen the Father's Day video, I'll link it at the end so you can easily watch it. This is the concrete area in our backyard where we're going to be putting our outdoor kitchen. As you can see, we already have the electrical installed in the concrete for our outdoor kitchen. This is the wonderful husband and wife team, Gloria and Cisco. They're going to be putting together our outdoor kitchen. They were just amazing. They were so organized and they had everything down. They've been doing this for many years, and it really showed. Gloria and Cisco worked so well together, and they had this put together in no time. They were so efficient and so strong. I was truly impressed by all the working skills they had to put such a big structure together. Gloria and Cisco work all the way from Texas through New Mexico to Arizona. They do so many jobs all around, and I'll link their information below. That way, if you live in that area and you want to have anything assembled or put together, you can easily contact them. Here you can see the structure is completely put together. Gloria and Cisco did an amazing job. I was truly grateful for all of the hard work they did putting this together for us. Now it's time to move on to the electrical, where our electrician Frank did an amazing job. He worked so hard diligently putting all this wiring in our new structure for us. As you can see, our pavilion is completely done and wired with electricity. We'll be able to plug in lots of things with all of the outlets that we have, and we even have an outlet up above where we'll be able to plug in lights to light up our pavilion at night. And it's connected to the house. We'll be able to turn the lights off and the electrical from out at the pavilion or inside of our home. Now it's time for me to get staining these cedar boards. We're going to make a wall on one side of our pavilion and a half wall on another side. This will give us privacy with grilling, and it'll keep us sheltered from the wind on windy days when we're barbecuing in our pavilion. We'll get these cedar boards attached, one after the other. I also have some boards that I used a black stain to make some accent boards as a design in our structure. And here it is, our outdoor kitchen is done. We'll be adding more things along the line to our outdoor kitchen, but for now it's done. The structure is built, the electrical's done, and we're ready to start moving our barbecue grills in. We're having a cookout tomorrow evening and inviting some friends over to enjoy this structure with us. I would be super excited if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to click on the Father's Day video that comes up at the end of this video so you can see the delivery of the outdoor kitchen. I'll see you next time.